So for this, we only penalize them for the chicken feed. Okay, from 2020 to 2022. Yeah, so the financial penalty amount against all 5 of them are 415 million, approximately. So the first company is FFM Berhad. They are fined at approximately 42.6 million. Gold Coin, Sdn Berhad, they are fined at the amount of 97.5 million. Leong Hub Feed Sdn Berhad, they are fined at the amount of 157.4 million. PK Agro, they are fined at the amount of 47.8 million. Dinding Poultry Development Centre Sdn Berhad, they are fined at the amount of 70 million. So if you add up together, it will equal to 415 million only.
Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot of fines.
Putting everything aside, when we penalize the enterprises, we follow our guidelines. We have our guidelines on how to penalize. So we follow the guidelines and the law itself. You see? So I think this is a fair amount in accordance with the law.